Hello everybody, I'm Andy Kriebel, Global Head Coach of the Data School. Thanks for joining me today for this chat with DS29. We're going to get to learn a little bit about them and their experience at the Data School. Let's get to it.
I'm part of DS29, joined back in February, and before that I was working in the industry of forensic toxicology.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucy. I studied maths with management.
I'm James. My degree was in biology, and then after university I was an English teacher in China for a while.
I used to work as an insolvency lawyer in Belarus before I start with the data school.
Giorgia, part of DS29. From South Africa originally. I studied mechanical engineering at Stellenbosch University.
I'm Patrice, studying economics at Queen Mary University.
My name's Alban Halili. I studied maths.
How would you describe the culture of the Data School?
Very unique. It's really relaxed in general. At the same time, everyone knows that when they need to flick that switch and go into work mode, everyone's willing to do that, and there's always so many people around to help support that as well.
How does the diversity of backgrounds help during training?
I think it really helps us during client projects because everyone has different levels of experience, so it helps us communicate with different levels of experience.
If you had to start training again, what would you do differently?
I'd sort of try and come in with sort of a little bit more confidence in myself early, rather than sort of later on within the training process.
What advice do you have to somebody that's considering applying to the Data School?
First of all, it's a good possibility to grow here. The second one is data analysts. Now it's a high demand, of course. And if you're familiar with data, if you like to work with data, if you understand data, I guess it's your way.
Try and use all the online resources that you can. So Tableau Public, there's Makeover Mondays, Workout Wednesdays, or just helps build up your skills so that your final dashboard can be as good as it can. And then get your final dashboard finished as soon as you can and send it in to the data school so that you can get feedback.
What'd you think of having to present to us at the start of your interview?
I was quite scared because I'm not very good at presenting.
Scared or nervous?
I was nervous, but I was also thinking, oh my God, I've never done this before, so I'm not sure what to think. But then the feedback that I got was very encouraging. So I would say that even though I was quite nervous, it made it easier hearing that feedback.
What's been your favorite part of training?
The client projects. That's been the most enjoyable, sort of getting that real application experience.
What do you think your biggest improvement was between client project number 1 and then client project number 8?
Planning and sort of scoping the work that you need to do. So in week 1, we just dived right in and we didn't really know what we were doing. We just instantly put it in Tableau and that kind of thing. As you start to do it more and more.
Yeah.
You just figure out more clearly what you want to do.
Thank you, DS29, for your insight into life at the Data School. If you're interested in applying to the Data School, you can find all the information you need at thedataschool.com. If you made it all the way through this video, make sure you leave a comment to let the team know you're excited about the work they're doing.